today I will tell you about the angular fringe width and fringe visibility. Before that, I have told you about the fringe width and its formula and the formula derived for both the dark fringe and the bright fringe. And here I will tell you the angular fringe width. This is the fringe. This is now suppose so much. I have taken the broad fringe so that it is visible. To all of you. This is the fringe 1. This is now suppose fringe. This is now second fringe. This I have taken the two fringes. So that this must be clearly understood by you that what is the meaning by angular width of the fringe width. This is now another fringe, and this is the point from where this so much. This angle is theta. This is now fringe width. So much. This is now beta. This is also beta. And this distance is d. So this is what the slits. The distance of the screen. So these fringes are visible on the screen. The interference pattern is formed on the screen at distance d from slits. from slits. So the angle made by this range on this one, then this is the fringe width, this is the fringe width, this is the fringe width. Like that we are having this. This makes an angle theta. So angular fringe width angular fringe width. Now this theta is equal to beta upon d. Beta. This is not so much is beta. This is not d. So we can these two rays are at equal distance. So this is now center, and we can suppose that this is now arc. So arc equal to radius. The arc angle equal to arc upon radius. So arc is what? Beta, and radius is what? The d. So here we are having this theta equal to beta upon d. But beta is equal to lambda into d upon d. So this beta upon d is equal to lambda. Beta upon d equal to lambda upon d. So here we can write this lambda upon d. So theta equal to lambda upon d. So this is what? The angular width. This is in radians. So much radian. Because the unit of this angle is radian. So this is taken in radian. So now you can see from here that the angular fringe width depends upon the wavelength and the distance between the slits. Angular fringe width depends upon number one. Now this theta is proportional to lambda, the wavelength of the light used. So as lambda is more, theta is more, and lambda is small, theta is small. So this angular width increases with the increase of lambda. Theta increases with increase of lambda. And now second factor, theta is proportional to 1 upon d. 1 upon d. So when we are having to this one, then when theta is d is more, then theta is less. So as the distance between the slits is decreased, the theta will increase. So if we have this now suppose we take theta and this we take now d, then this is like this one. The curve will be like this one. This is now hyperbola. It means that angular fringe width theta is inversely proportional to the distance between slits S1 and S2. So as theta increases, this d increases, theta will decrease. So this shows you that theta depends upon the two values, the wavelength lambda and the distance between the slits. So this is what the angular fringe width. Now I will tell you the fringe visibility. Fringe visibility. Fringe visibility Q. So fringe visibility, this Q is equal to I maximum minus I minimum upon I maximum plus I minimum. I minimum the minimum intensity, I maximum the maximum intensity. So you can see from here that this Q will depend upon both the factors I maximum and I minimum. And from here you can see that if I minimum is equal to 0, this is what the formula of the visibility. So if I minimum is equal to 0, then Q is equal to 1. You can see from here, this is now 0, this is now 0, so I maximum, so this Q equal to 1. So this is the sustained interference. It is sustained interference and fringes are clearly visible are clearly visible. And if you have I maximum equal to I minimum, suppose both are equal, then what will happen? Q equal to 0. Then Q equal to 0. Q equal to 0 means that the interference pattern will not be formed or the fringes will not be visible. It means that interference pattern will not be formed. इंटरफेस पैटर्न बनेगा ही नहीं इसके अंदर से और द विजिबिलिटी इज 0. So whole of the screen will appear as illuminated with the equal light. The screen will be illuminated completely. Illuminated completely. It means that whole of the steam will be full of light. So there will be no fringe at all. So for the good interference pattern, I maximum, the I minimum should be equal to 0. I minimum should be equal to 0. It means that the waves must be of the same amplitude. Thus, for good visibility of interference pattern, the amplitude of interfering waves should be equal or approximately equal. Equal or approximately equal. So thus for good visibility of the interference pattern, the amplitudes of the interfering waves should be equal or approximately equal. This is what about the visibility of the interference pattern. So this is the topic that I have told you today, that the angular fringe width and the visibility of the fringes. So you like, share and subscribe the video, and in the next video I will tell you about a very important formula to find the intensity in front of the slit, either S1 or S2. So thank you very much.